Hello everyone, welcome back. If you try to search anything on WhatsApp but the WhatsApp search is not working and not showing your result, then do the following step to fix this issue. So without wasting any time, let's get started, and before start, please do like, share and subscribe. The first thing that we have to do, we have to launch settings. Here we have to tap on profile icon and tap on iCloud. Under iCloud we have to scroll and enable WhatsApp. If it's already enabled, then disable WhatsApp, wait for a few seconds and enable WhatsApp. The solution number 2, go back to settings. Here we have to tap on general and tap iPhone storage. Under iPhone storage we have to tap on WhatsApp and tap offload app. After offload app, we have to force close all the apps that are running in the background and force restart your iPhone according to your iPhone model. After force restart, we have to launch App Store and re-download the WhatsApp app. After re-download the WhatsApp app, if you're still facing the same issue, then we move to other solution. The next one is launch settings. Here we have to tap on general and tap software update and update your iPhone to a latest iOS version. Here we have to make sure that iPhone is not running out of space. If iPhone is running out of space, we have to make some space in your iPhone by deleting unnecessary application and media. For all these fixes, if you're still facing the same issue, then we have to wait for the next update of WhatsApp. Maybe it's WhatsApp error and you will be wait for the next update of WhatsApp. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.